Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. In this basically we are discussing this amount basically, and percentage of amount basically are divided into this basically. One person told that, yeah, Indian people basically, why they are not in the top 10 world richest people. That means the few people told that basically they might be knowing this everything basically. This, 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 this data, this all data basically. They might be knowing basically. Then one of the person told this group basically also might be knowing. Then few people told that basically this whole group basically, it might possible basically 100% I'm not sure basically, this group basically might be Indian group basically. Then possibility, yeah, there is there, for example, this person basically Google, he basically Bill Gates. So that is not possible here basically. How basically can we France basically, how basically can't we go Indian basically, this that is not possible here basically. Then one of the person told that because plane crash basically happens where basically, in Himalaya. Then one of the person told that it might possible that in the people basically who are flying from India basically, there also basically their plane also basically might be crashing in their some area land basically, that is in mountain basically. Then he told that that is also possible here basically. That is also possible basically. So just see basically the chain basically. So see basically the chain group. This basically resume send. See the chain basically. Send to which group basically? See the chain basically. See the chain basically. See the chain basically. Chain you see basically. Send the resume, and lots of basically resume basically was not sent basically, because entire email address basically removed. Why? Half of the email ID is removed. Reason is this basically. This and this basically, and this basically. So one of the person told that the people basically who are working in India basically, they are working in the software company. They are basically getting money basically of percentage, some percentage amount basically. They are basically getting basically the money, right basically. Then it was that, yes basically. But they are creating what basically? They are creating that basically, this whole thing basically. They are basically taking the money of the honest money, basically. They are doing hard work basically. They are money taking the money, this all money basically. Then it was that, yes basically. They are taking money from this work only basically. The managers are taking, the directors are taking, the software deliveries are taking. Then one of the person told that, then what money, then percentage of money of the software company basically, who is taking from the software industry basically, because percentage of money basically are taken by this group basically, software company. So who is taking that money basically? Then basically there might be some software group basically who might be taking some money basically. That might be some text box equal to 1000 cities, combo box equal to 1000 cities, check box equal to 1000 cities, radio button equal to 1000 cities. So that group basically might be taking that money. It might possible basically, possibility basically, 100% not sure. And that group basically, the who are basically creating that city, they are the business development group basically, who are placing the projects basically inside the computers, and then basically the business development group basically takes that project basically by doing follow up to this person, that person, this, like this basically entire maps basically get generated, matrix generates, and then basically they get the project. Possibilities are basically there. 100% I'm not sure. Basically. So might be possible basically like that basically the projects basically might be. So one of the person told that basically. Do you have the list of basically the the text box equal to 1000 city creator group basically? Then he told that is not possible here basically. Which nuclear power company basically might be handling the text box equal to 1000 city? That basically I don't know basically. So basically one person basically told that basically what actually that is text box here basically. So I will tell actually what the text box is just a minute. This is my ID basically. In this basically I have written one thing basically. This is that one. Text box user control, which we see in the websites basically, that is created by from the 1000 cities creation, and this 1000 city basically is exist means it's there basically. City is basically there basically, city is there basically, city is basically there basically, city is basically there. City is basically there basically. City basically is there basically. So you can just imagine basically. City basically is there basically. So this was that slogan basically which was written basically. That city is there basically. See. Text box equal to user control, which is which we see in the website basically. Text box. One of the person asked text box equal to 1000 cities. I am not getting here. What is that basically? So practically basically you see basically. That you say practically just a minute. Create account. So create account is there basically. This text box again. This text box which is written, that text box. I am talking about that text box. Oh, that text box is created for 1000 cities, and they are basically giving the business to each and every big software company like Microsoft, SAP, Accenture, Capgemini. Yes, exactly basically. That only basically I want to talk. And that city basically exists, and that city basically is created from the nuclear power company basically. That which nuclear power company, that basically I don't know basically. Nuclear power company means this nuclear power plants in nuclear power plants basically. So in world basically we will write, because world is one basically now. World has become one, that's why basically. So take this one. So see basically, these all are the nuclear power companies basically which are existing in the across the world, and they all have become one basically. See basically, see India basically 19. See basically, see Iran, see Japan, see Mexico भी see. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.